So now once this tax group has been formed, what is the benefit or what is the impact of it? I mean, the first benefit comes out to be because of the tax group, the documentation that the submission of the forms that will be limited to the only parent company doing this activity. And then it would be a single taxable person. The single taxable person means that the limit, I mean, the group will be considered as a one taxable person. There's a one tax registration for the group. And as well as the income which is taxable, the limit of 375,000 will be limited to the group. It will not be considered each individual company wise. So Sharjah and Fujairah will not have a separate limit of 375,000, but Dubai, Sharjah and Fujairah will be combined considered for a taxable limit of 375,000 profit limit. And then yes, parent company has to form this registration, filing of returns, and the payment has to be done. And then they need to prepare a consolidated financial statement. So each of the subsidiary will prepare their own financial statement, and then when they are filing the return, they need to combine these transactions, prepare a consolidated financial statement. And any kind of intergroup transactions which is taking place, that will be net off. So the benefit of the transfer pricing documentation, which has to be required if they're not forming a tax group. In the tax group, they don't have to worry about the transfer pricing documentation that is in detail required. So that gets a benefit in terms of administrative activity. Then parent subsidiary will be jointly liable in terms of tax which are there. So it's not, if parent is not paying, then the subsidiary has to pay out of their income the tax which is for the group. And then tax group may cease to operate if they are not meeting the criteria, like if 95% ownership interest is not there, or if some company or some business become exempt category, then they cannot form, or if some of them become a free zone qualifying category, then they may not form. So the group may cease to discontinue with the tax group structure, or even the parent company can also apply for replacing it itself. Like, someone has taken over a company, Dubai company has been taken over by some other company. So the company which is taking over can apply to be a parent company to the authority.